Hello, friends. Welcome back to Playtime Pals. Have you ever seen pictures of giant, icy mountains floating in the ocean? Those are called icebergs. But wait, how can something so big and heavy float on water? Wouldn't it just sink? Well, let's find out together. First, let's imagine something fun. Have you ever dropped an ice cube into a glass of water? What happens? It floats, right? Icebergs work the same way, just on a much bigger scale. You see, ice is made of frozen water, but it's a little different from liquid water. Ice is less dense than water. That's just a fancy way of saying it's lighter for its size. Let's break it down. Water molecules, those tiny building blocks that make up water, are like a group of friends holding hands. When the water freezes into ice, the friends spread out, making more space between them. This spreading out makes ice lighter than the same amount of liquid water. And because it's lighter, it floats. Pretty cool, huh? Now, about those icebergs. They come from glaciers, which are huge, frozen rivers of ice. When pieces of a glacier break off, they fall into the ocean and become icebergs. Most of the iceberg stays underwater, about 90% of it. The part you see above the surface is just the tip of the iceberg. That's where the phrase, tip of the iceberg, comes from. But why does this even matter? Well, icebergs play an important role in our world. They're like floating refrigerators, keeping the oceans cool and helping animals like seals and penguins find places to rest. Isn't nature amazing? So the next time you see a picture of an iceberg, remember, it floats because ice is lighter than water. And while it may look like it's just sitting there, it's actually a big part of our planet's incredible story. Thanks for exploring with me today, friends. See you next time for more fun adventures.